Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merged best food sachet pack. Sa best food, meron tayong Pinyo Magic All-Purpose Dressing. Available po siya sa 470 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong best food sachet pack Mayo Magic All-Purpose Dressing. Available for 220 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong best food Real Mayonnaise. Available for 220 ml. You can buy it from any grocery stores, mga most grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong best food sachet pack, salad and sandwich made, available for 220 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong best food sandwich bread, available for 220 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong best food Mayo Magic All-Purpose Dressing, available for 80 ml. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores at mga most grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong best food sandwich bread, available for 80 ml. Ayan. And that's it for today's Unilever Company merge video best food sachet pack. Review natin yung best food sandwich bread 80 ml, best food Mayo Magic, available for 80 ml, best food Maggi Magic, available for 220 ml, best food Real Mayonnaise 220 ml, best food salad and sandwich made, available for 220 ml, and best food sandwich bread, available for 220 ml, and best food Mayo Magic All-Purpose Dressing, available for 470 ml. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge videos best food sachet pack. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos, and updated ka sa mga video ko Unilever Company merge. Thank you for watching. God bless us all, always respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you.